While there is no prominent historical evidence of a direct partnership or connection between Marcus Garvey and Italian or Jewish organized crime families, there are several significant tangential overlaps based on the geography of 1920s New York and his legal battles. 1. The geography of Harlem. In the 1920s, Harlem was not yet an exclusively black neighborhood. It contained a massive Italian population, known as Italian Harlem, and a significant Jewish population. Proximity. The UNIA, Universal Negro Improvement Association, headquarters and Liberty Hall were located in the heart of Harlem, often blocks away from the social clubs that birthed the Genovese crime family and the Black Hand extortion rackets. Shared spaces. Both groups operated in the same urban ecosystem, navigating the same political machines, like Tammany Hall, and police precincts. 2. The trial of Judge Julian Mack. The most documented connection involving Jewish identity was Garvey's 1923 mail fraud trial. The conflict. The presiding judge was Julian Mack, a prominent Jewish leader and a member of the NAACP. Garvey's accusations. Garvey famously moved for Mack's recusal, arguing that Mack's Jewish identity and his involvement with the NAACP, which Garvey viewed as a rival integrationist organization, made him inherently biased. The fallout. Following his conviction, Garvey's rhetoric became increasingly antagonistic. He claimed he was the victim of a Jewish conspiracy, and later controversially asserted that his movement inspired the nationalism of leaders like Mussolini, despite Mussolini's later ties to the Axis powers. 3. Organized crime and prohibition. During the 1920s, the 5 families of the Italian mafia, such as the Lupo and Morello groups, dominated the illegal liquor trade and numbers rackets in neighborhoods where Garvey's followers lived. The numbers racket. Some historians have noted that the policy or numbers games, often run by black operators in Harlem, frequently had to pay tribute to or negotiate with Italian syndicates that controlled the larger citywide distribution. Business overlap. While the UNIA focused on legitimate black-owned businesses, like the Black Star Line and Negro Factories Corporation, they operated in an environment where organized crime influenced local commerce, protection, and labor. 4. Summary of connections. Italian. Purely tangential, they were neighbors in Harlem and shared a similar era of immigrant-driven social organization. Garvey expressed a begrudging respect for Italian nationalism. Mussolini. Jewish. Largely adversarial during his trial, Garvey viewed Jewish leadership in the NAACP as a barrier to his separatist goals. Organized families. No evidence of collaboration. Garvey's movement was strictly focused on black economic self-reliance, though it existed within a city where organized crime was a dominant force.